So I wondered what happened if you took an 18-volt battery for a 6-volt tractor, and I'm just using a Ryobi 18-volt, and I just attached these things and then 3D printed this little piece that just fits right on your 18-volt battery. And then just make sure you get the plus with the minus right here. So just gonna double check that. And then these just push on pretty easily. Go like this, it'll actually be easier. And then you can close this up. And let's see what it does. So that's what happens when you put an 18-volt battery in a 12-volt tractor.